students, myself JYOTHI.I.S, tutor of Saraswati Tuition, Davangere. Welcome to my class, Maths with Jyothi Ma'am. It's a class for 8th standard students, Karnataka state syllabus. Unit 2 is algebraic expression. It is the continued part of the introduction, part 2. In that, we are studying about the like terms and the unlike terms. What in the previous class you studied the algebraic terms, isn't it? In that, we have to study which are the like algebraic terms or unlike algebraic terms. Terms which are having the same variable with the same exponents are called the algebraic terms, isn't it? Let us consider this: 2x plus 3x plus 5x. Okay, this is it. These are the terms. Here, symbols are not necessary. These are the terms. Here, look at the variables. Variable used is same. This is it. These are the algebraic terms with the same variable x with the same exponents like this. The same exponents are called like terms. I will give one more example. If y cube, 2y cube and 3y cube. In this example also, here the same variable is used, that is y, and with the exponent 3, 3, 3. Therefore, these are the like terms. Understood? One more example. 3xy, 4xy, 10xy. Okay. These are the algebraic terms. These terms having the same variables. Here we are using two variables xy, xy, xy. In all the three terms we are using the same variables xy with the same exponent. Exponent means nothing is means 1 is there, isn't it? Therefore, the like terms are those which are having the same variables with the same exponents. Okay, these are all like terms. These are all like terms. Then what are unlike terms? Unlike terms. Unlike terms are the terms which are having the same variable with different exponents or different exponents with the same or different variables. I will take. First one, unlike terms is, these are the terms which are having the same variables. For example, these are having the same variables, but their exponents will be different. This is x cube, this is x square, this one is x. These are unlike terms. Even though which are having the same variables, but their exponents will be different. These are unlike terms. Okay. The first statement is that in the next, with the terms which are having the different variables with the same exponents. Even though these are the variables with these are the terms which are having the different variables with the same exponents, even though these are unlike terms. Okay, and the same variable with the different exponents and the different variables with the same exponents and different variable with the different exponents. We can say that x cube, y square and z to the power of 1. These are examples for unlike terms. Here we are using the different variables with different exponents. Understand? Unlike terms are those the terms which contains the same variables with the different exponents. Okay, and or the different variables with the same exponents or the different variables with the different exponents. Understand what are like terms and underlike terms? This one is very important in solving the problems. Now let us move on to our next topic, addition and subtraction of the polynomials. There are some rules in doing addition and subtraction of polynomials. Rules. Addition and subtraction of the, first let us study the addition and subtraction of the integers. What the same rule is applicable here. When we add two positive integers, we will get a positive integer, isn't it? When we add two positive integers, okay. When we add two positive integers, we will get the sum of those will be positive integers. We are adding those integers and we will get the sign plus. When we are adding negative integers, we are adding those integers and we are putting the same symbol minus. Understanding? When we are adding two positive integers, we are adding those numbers and putting the plus sign. When we are adding two negative integers, we are adding those integers and put the sign minus. And we are adding a negative integer and a positive integer. We will take the difference of those numbers and put the sign of the greater number. Understood? When we add a positive or negative number, we will find the difference and put the symbol of the greater number. Here, I will show you how. Here, positive integer plus and another one positive integer 2. If we add when two are positive and we are adding, where the answer will be also, the sum of those will be also the plus and we are doing addition. Okay, here we have to do addition of those numbers. And here also two negative integers are there. I am taking the same numbers, minus 5, minus 2, isn't it? When we are doing like this, when we have, even though here negative integers, we have to add those two integers and put the sign of minus. Therefore here also we have to add those numbers. And here, let us consider here, this is 9 and this is 5. Okay, when we are adding a negative integer and a positive integer, we have to take the difference of those numbers. When we are adding a positive and a negative integer, we have to take the difference of those numbers, that is minus 9 plus 5 is equals to 4, and put the symbol of a greater number. Understood? Here the greater number is 9, we are putting the sign of minus. Here when positive and a negative integer is there, here also we are taking two numbers like this. One is positive and another one is negative. Therefore, we have to find the difference of numbers. And what difference is 10 minus 5 is 5. The symbol of the greater number is plus. Understood? This is the rules we have to follow in doing the addition and subtraction of the algebraic terms also. Okay. wants to add the algebraic terms, some more rules. In that, only like terms can be added. First one is only like terms can be added. Like terms can be added. What are like terms? 2x, 3x, 4x. These are all like terms. These type of terms can be added. That is equals to 9x, like this. Unlike terms cannot be added. Unlike terms cannot be added. Okay, it is not possible to add 3xy plus x square. You can write like this one. It is not possible to add this to this, or otherwise 3x plus 4y. It is not be added. We can write as with plus. And while adding the like terms, we have to add the coefficients of those like terms. While adding like terms, add coefficients of those like terms. Numerical coefficients. We have to add the numerical coefficients of those numbers. Numerical coefficients. For example, if you want to add 3a plus 5a, how you can add? These two are like terms with the same variables or the same exponents. While adding this, we have to add only the 3 and 5. A is taken as common and we have to write 3 plus 5 and we have to add only the numerical coefficients, that is 8a. Like that, 3x plus 5x plus 2x. In this also, here x is the same variable is used and the constants are 3 plus 5 plus 2. That is equals to 10x. Okay, well understood? While adding the like terms, add only the numerical coefficients, not the variables. Like this we have to, these are the rules are used to follow while adding the like terms. Okay, this is the end of my class. Enjoy the mathematics and keep watching my videos. Do subscribe. Thank you for watching.